the BlenderBottle Sport Mixer Shaker Bottle is a remarkable product that brings convenience and functionality to your fitness routine. As an experienced product marketing expert with a keen eye for quality, I can confidently say that this shaker bottle delivers on its promises. One of the standout features of the BlenderBottle Sport Mixer is its durable construction. Made from high-quality stainless steel and Triton, this bottle is built to withstand the rigors of your active lifestyle. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or simply enjoying outdoor activities, this shaker bottle will keep up with you every step of the way. In terms of design, the BlenderBottle Sport Mixer boasts an ergonomic shape that fits comfortably in your hand. The textured grip ensures a secure hold, even when your hands are sweaty. This attention to detail speaks volumes about the thoughtfulness that went into creating this product. What sets this shaker bottle apart from others on the market?
The BlenderBottle Radiant Shaker Cup insulated stainless steel water bottle is a premium quality product that offers excellent durability and functionality. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that this product deserves your attention. The first notable feature of the BlenderBottle Radiant is its high-quality construction. Made from stainless steel, this water bottle offers superior insulation properties, keeping your beverages cold for up to 24 hours. This makes it particularly convenient for individuals who are constantly on the go or need their drinks to stay chilled throughout the day. Additionally, the double-wall design ensures that there are no condensation issues, preventing any unwanted wetness on the exterior surface. This feature is especially useful when using the bottle in professional settings or when carrying the bottle in bags or purses. One of the standout aspects of this product is its leak-proof design. The BlenderBottle Sport Mixer Shaker Bottle is a remarkable product that offers a convenient and efficient solution for mixing your favorite beverages. As an experienced product marketing expert, I have had the opportunity to test and evaluate various shaker bottles, and I must say, this product stands out from the competition. One of the key features of the BlenderBottle Sport Mixer is its high-quality construction. Made from durable stainless steel and Triton, this bottle ensures longevity and resistance to wear and tear. The use of these materials also guarantees the safety of your beverages, as they are free from harmful chemicals such as BPA. With its shaker bottle design, the BlenderBottle Sport Mixer allows you to effortlessly mix your protein shakes, smoothies, and other drinks. The bottle features a patented mixing system that utilizes a blender ball wire whisk to efficiently blend the ingredients. I found this mechanism to be highly effective, ensuring a smooth and consistent.
Product information. Brand BlenderBottle material. Plastic bottle type wide neck. Color light pink capacity. 1.8 pound special feature dishwasher, safe, wide mouth age range, description. Any age group product, dimensions, 3.81 W into 8.94. H product care instructions, hand wash, only model, name classic, V2 shaker bottle recommended. Uses for product protein, shake smoothies, workouts, number of items 1, theme shaker, reusability, reusable, shape round fineness. About this item, 28-ounce capacity, note measurement markings only go to 22 ounces. Patented mixing system uses 316 surgical-grade stainless steel blender ball wire whisk, found only in BlenderBottle brand shaker cups. Wide mouth makes it easy to add mixed scoops and liquids and embossed markings. Measure both ounces and milliliters rounded base for thorough mixing. Screw-on lid creates leak-proof seal, and secure flip cap with spout guard keeps the mouthpiece clean. Wide loop top for easy carrying or attaching keys. Dishwasher safe, BPA and phthalate.
The Helimix 2.0 Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle is an exceptional product that caters to a wide range of individuals. Manufactured by the reputable brand Helimix, this shaker bottle is crafted from durable plastic and is available in an elegant black color. One of the key highlights of the Helimix 2.0 Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle is its generous capacity of 28 fluid ounces. This sizable volume ensures that users have ample space to mix and blend their favorite beverages, whether it be protein shakes, smoothies, or pre-workout supplements. A notable feature of this product is its top-rack dishwasher safe design. This allows for convenient and effortless cleaning, saving valuable time and effort for the users. Moreover, the absence of a mixer ball or screen simplifies the cleaning process even further. Users can enjoy hassle-free maintenance without the need to disassemble or clean additional parts. The Helimix 2.0 Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle stands out in terms of functionality.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.